Catching them on the bobber and the fly, guys. Check it out. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bass Wars. Today we are going to be doing some pan fishing on the bank, trying to catch some panfish in August. The weather is getting cooler out, the nights are getting cooler, but we're going to try to catch some with the bobber and fly. So come on, let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bass Wars, and here we are. We're going to be using the bobber and the fly. Let's go catch some. There we just got him. Got him, baby. Bobber and fly fishing, guys. We got one, baby, on the bobber and the fly. We dropped them. That wind is blowing so hard that it's actually moving my bait too fast, so we're gonna move a little bit. There it is. Got him. Sunny number 2 on the bobber and the fly. That bobber's about 12 inches from the leader, and the fly is about 12 inches. So here we go. That's number 2, guys. Number 2. There he is. Woo, last cat, baby. So guys, what I'm using is the bobber and fly. Bobber and a fly about 12 inches and a small black fly. My favorite color fly right here is a black fly. Try it, man. I'm telling you, it works. See you guys.